I've had a little chat with Fraser because I need him to take care of something in order to make my life that little bit easier. Being an off-grid mum of 2 very small children is amazing, but sometimes it has its challenges. We spend a lot of time outside, we walk a lot, we have a double buggy that we push around, and it's got to the point where all the paths have disappeared and I can hardly get round. Fraser has said he is going to take care of it. He seemed very keen, and I can't help but think it might be an excuse to get the boys' toys out.
So we're going to be cutting back trees and cutting the path through with our mower. It's just really going to use some boys' toys today.
Told you so. It might seem silly, but when you live a life like this, the little things make a big difference. Even something as small as paths being put through. It might not be as impressive as a solar power system or water filtration or a big polytunnel, but to me it makes a big difference. Fraser and I understand that, and we try to make each other's lives as easy as possible. We're a team, and it's that teamwork that makes our family strong, and it's what makes this life work for us. People sometimes ask how we cope with living this life, but I think it brings out the best in us, and most importantly, we believe it gives our children the best start in life. The thing is, we're not extraordinary people, and I truly believe that anybody can live this life, and that it brings out the best in people. It definitely brings out the best in my family, and in me too.
Always toys.